Green Gram Dal Recipe. Soak 1 cup of green gram for 1 hour. Wash and drain. Add 2 bay leaves, 3 lavanga or cloves and 1 inch cinnamon. Add 1.5 cups of water and pressure cook for 1 whistle and then around 8 to 10 minutes. Blend 2 medium onions, 2-inch ginger, 3/4 cup of fresh coriander and 1/4 cup pudina or mint and 4 green chillies. In a pan or kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee and add the paste. Add salt per taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. After it starts to bubble, add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 2 teaspoons of amchur or raw mango powder. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Now, slowly mix the green gram dal in. I added 1.5 cups of water. I like it with a gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Mash it with a masher. Garnish with lots of fresh coriander. Enjoy it with fresh roti or rice. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe.